In this video, I will show you how to sum numbers by week number in Excel like this. So let's get started. I have some transactions with dates and amounts in this Excel sheet. Now I want to calculate the total amount by week number of the year. For example, for the first week of the year, I want to sum these two amounts, and for the second week of the year, I want to get the sum of these two amounts. To get the sum by week number, I will add one column at the end to store the week number of the dates. I will use the WEEKNUM function to calculate the week number of the year for these dates. The WEEKNUM function, as the name suggests, returns the week number of the specified date. This function accepts two arguments, a date serial number and an optional return type. The return type value determines on which day the week begins. The default return type is 1, which considers Sunday as the first day of the week. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. Now type WEEKNUM followed by an opening bracket. Select the cell containing the date as the first argument. Type a comma and then type 2 as the return type argument to get Monday as the first day of the week. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have the week number of the year for all the dates. I will use the Excel SUMIFS function to sum numbers by these week numbers. The SUMIFS function returns the sum of the values in a range that meets multiple criteria. We can specify more than one pair of range and criteria using this function. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type SUMIFS followed by an opening bracket. Since we want to sum the amount, let's select the range of the cells containing the amount as the first argument. Type a comma and then select the range of the cells containing the week numbers as the criteria range argument. Since I want to compare the week number of the dates with the week number given in the F column, I will select the week number of the F column as the third criteria argument. Type the closing bracket of the SUMIFS function. I will also make the amount and week number range references absolute using the dollar signs like this so that they will not change when we drag the formula to other cells. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have the sum of numbers by week number of the year. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.